Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is 404th part of explanation of my theory. This is my new atomic Radii formula for all atoms. Radius x is equals lambda is equals hc divided by first and lowest ionization energy of an atom. Here's lithium atom. That's my model for atoms. This is smallest wavelength electron, larger one, and largest electron, corresponding lowest ionization energy or first ionization energy is here 5.39 electron volt or 8.634 10 to the minus 19 joules. Corresponding wavelength 230 nanometer. It is lithium atoms radius, according to me. I'm so sorry. My new atomic Radii formula and Bohr radius and other atomic Radii computations are completely wrong. You know, accepted physics theories assumes that Bohr radius is a constant. Now, my atomic radius definition, the wavelength corresponding to lowest ionization energy, first ionization energy, ground state energy of an atom is the radius of that atom. Lowest or first ionization energy of an atom represents largest electron in an atom. Largest electron's boundary is the boundary of a single atom. Contrary to accepted physics theories, since the electrons are not identical and they have different wavelength sizes in an atom, and electrons are three-dimensional entities, not dimensionless point particles. And as I told you before, since each of successive ionization energies represents a specific wavelength radius of a different size specific electron, the lowest or first ionization of energy of an atom will represent the largest electron's boundary of the largest electron. Proton-bound spherical electron motion form, remember. Thus, the radius of a single hydrogen atom will be 91.155. 91. 91.155 nanometer. Thus, the radius of a single hydrogen atom will be 91.155 nanometer, that corresponding ground state ionization energy value 21.8 10 to the minus 19 kilogram meter square per second square or joules of it. Accordingly, single helium atom radius will be 50.44 nanometer, single lithium atom radius will be 330.05 nanometer, so on and so forth. Whereas, according to accepted physics theories, atomic radius is the distance between outermost electron and nucleus, and as a constant, Bohr radius for hydrogen atom is 0.05 2 9 nanometer. On the one hand, physics argues that it is not possible to measure the radius of a single atom. On the other hand, it tries to predict it on two bounded atoms. Who can guarantee that when two atoms are tied together, the atomic radii will not change? However, as I put forth before, there is a clue for determining electrons' wavelength, radii, and places in an atom at their all states, including ground states. According to me, electron wavelength and atomic radii, etc., can be deduced from observed ionization energies of an atom without disturbing them. Have a good afternoon. See you later.